Hi guys, hope you're all doing good. I'm going to unbox this Grove box order that I placed. So I realized that some of these items I was going to buy in store, and I decided to go ahead and try this offer that we all see online constantly, where if you place I'm not sure, a certain dollar amount, you get a free set of cleaning products. So anyhow, we're just gonna see, is it worth it? Did I get my money's worth? Was it better to do it this way, or is it any better just going to Target and buying all your cleaning products? So, but there are items that I needed for the kitchen that I was going to buy anyways, and so we'll see. Let's unbox this. Kind of recyclable here. Recycling. And okay, let me show you. I think these are the products. I got the Spice Pumpkin, what is this? Multi-surface from Mrs. Meyer's. And I got the apple cider. Is it apple cider? Dish soap. Let's give this a little. That smells nice. Let me try this one. I've never smelled. I don't typically buy fall scents, I guess, but oh, I'm not sure if I like this. Maybe for a candle, but not for wiping down my counters. I don't know if I'm gonna like that. And then for the hand soap, I got the the honeysuckle scent. I didn't need all this different. Now that's nice. That's just a nice, very refreshing, clean scent. I like this one actually. Okay, so these were the items that what is this, a sink caddy? This is what I was looking for, that I needed for my kitchen to organize my cleaning, my sink space. And I'll show you the box. It's just a Grove. It's called Sink Storage Streamlined. I don't know. Let's see if we can get this. Move this stuff out of the way. Goodness, ton of packaging here. Okay, so I guess the sponge would sit here, and then the brush, dish brush. Okay, and I also got some of these European dishcloths, and it's got a little, do you see that? It's got a little sting there. That's, well, that kind of sucks. I don't want to get a dirty dishcloth. I don't know, maybe I'll reach out to them and ask if they can replace that. Okay, we got a little booklet here, I guess. What is in here? Okay, just tells you how to place your order and things like that. Nothing too exciting. Okay, we got some sponges, 2-pack, and get this out of the way. The stoneware tray. Now this is what I was needing actually for my kitchen space, because, oh goodness, there we go. Things are cluttered. My soaps and hand soap, all that area is off. It's a little bit cluttered. Okay. So it's a lot smaller than what it looks like, but I just got the white one. I believe, I don't know, it was a little odd, but whenever I went to check out, you could see that there was another option for a fall one, but I'm not switching out my sink caddy, you know, for the season. But I believe this sits here like this. And this is exactly what I needed. I needed something that could hold all of my cleaning items and soaps all in one place, and then I could just wipe it down when I'm all done. So I believe altogether this was $30. So I think these 3 items were the ones that were free if you place. So if you place this order, and you can select what items you want to get. I guess the best option would have been to just go on there and pick the most items you could possibly get for $30. But this is what I actually needed. And I was having a hard time finding this in the stores. And I honestly I'm just not gonna drive all over looking for this caddy. I tried Home Goods and they had a smaller bathroom version, but I really needed something that would hold the brushes that and the sponges that I use to clean my kitchen and my dishes, and to also hold some soaps. So this was maybe, I think you could buy this tray without this little holder. And it would have been cheaper, I think. But I thought, you know, I'm just gonna go ahead and get the whole organizational tray to keep that area organized and clean and not cluttered. And then, so basically, I think these were the free items, and maybe the sponges were, right? I think this is what was free. And then this is what I ordered. These 2, these had really great reviews. I've never tried this, but these had really great reviews. So I believe, I don't know, somehow these 2 items came out to $30, and then this came for free. I don't know. I guess maybe I could have found a sink caddy on Amazon. I didn't even look. But I needed I needed cleaning products anyways. This is stuff I was going to go, I needed to stock back on. I was running low on all of these. So I was going to buy these anyways. And I think these go, how much? Almost $4 at Target. So this would have been $12, and then sponges. So maybe it all kind of works out. Maybe it's, I got it to the point where it was exactly $30. I believe that is what you need to get the set for the cleaning set. And obviously you can pick any scents you want. I'm really kind of kicking myself about this Spice Pumpkin. I'm not crazy about that. I'm not crazy about having that as my counter cleaner. But anyhow, listen, this is just my honest review. This is my first time opening a package from Grove, and I was going to buy these items anyways, so I wanted to see if it was worth it. And maybe this will help you if you're looking to purchase some items, some cleaning products, and you keep seeing that same offer and you wonder, is that any good? Well, it might be good if you do need some products for your kitchen that you're going to go purchase anyhow. Then it might work out, because then you'll get some additional cleaning products for free. I hope this was helpful. I will see you on my next video, and I hope you're all doing well. Bye. Okay, so let's test out this little caddy. Let's see how well these items fit in here that came in the box today. There's the the typical sponge, I guess, that sits here. And I guess your dish soap, your hand soap hits it here. And oh, I don't know if I want to open this, but I guess you could lay your little washcloth over, and this is the brush that I typically, if you can see that, probably not. Okay, so here's what it looks like when everything's inside of there. It holds everything pretty well. And I think this little area right here, if I remember from the pictures from the site, this little bar right here, you could lay, if you, for example, these dishcloths, if you use a dishcloth, or maybe, I don't think you could put your gloves there, your dish gloves, but for example, this little cloth, when I get it wet, and I can hang it here to dry, but this is pretty much what I was looking for, something that I could organize all of my cleaning products for the sink area, my kitchen area, and in one spot. Looks good. Thank you.